In the heart of our bustling digital era, there's a powerful tool that's transforming the way we create and consume content. This tool, my friends, is artificial intelligence, or AI. It's not just about robots and self-driving cars anymore. Today, AI is shaping the future of content creation, especially when it comes to short-form content, or shorts as we like to call them. Picture this. You're an aspiring content creator, knee-deep in complex editing software, spending countless hours on your computer. Now imagine a world where AI simplifies this process, allowing you to create captivating content in a fraction of the time. That's the power of AI-powered tools. They analyze your footage, suggest edits, and even add special effects, all at the click of a button. It's like having your own virtual editing assistant. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. It can supercharge your content creation in numerous ways. Need eye-catching graphics? AI-generated designs are the way forward. Looking for engaging captions or subtitles? AI tools can transcribe and add them seamlessly. And remember, the key to a monetizable short is audience engagement. AI helps you understand your audience better, providing insights on what works and what doesn't, allowing you to tailor your content for maximum impact. AI isn't just about automation, though. It's a creative powerhouse. It can generate music, suggest story ideas, or even create animations, sparking your imagination and adding that wow factor to your shorts. From editing to audience insights, design, and creativity, AI tools are your secret weapons in making your shorts stand out in the crowd. And the best part? Many of these tools are user-friendly and accessible to everyone. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, harness the power of AI to make your shorts not just compelling, but also monetizable. Dive into the world of AI tools, unleash your creativity, and watch your content shine. Don't forget to check out the AI tools we've mentioned to take your short-form content creation to the next level. Here's to creating, innovating, and monetizing. Happy creating!